Hi and a very warm welcome to my channel. This is Cassie. So in today's video, I'll be going ahead and doing an unboxing and reviewing of this particular eyeshadow palette that's in here. This is the eye look that I have gone ahead and created using the palette that's in here. So if this is something that you are interested in watching, then make sure that you watch the video till the end. Also, if you are someone who is new to my channel and if you're watching me for the first time, then hi, I'm Cassie. Please come and be a part of my tiny little family right here on YouTube by just hitting that red subscribe button down below, and also press the bell notification, the bell icon right beside the subscribe button, because that is how you will get notified every time I upload a video and you don't miss out on my videos. Now let's quickly jump into the video. So now let me just go ahead and take you in a flashback, and we are gonna go ahead and do the unboxing in the past tense. Went in the flashback and saw the unboxing of this particular eyeshadow palette, and here I have this gorgeous palette, and I know this, the palette and the top kind of is matching, and I absolutely love that I'm matching to this palette. But I absolutely love this palette. It looks absolutely expensive, and I went on Amazon and I just put affordable palettes under 500 rupees, and this is one that popped up on the feed, on the Amazon feed, and that is when I got my hands on this. I read a lot of reviews on Amazon, and I think the people who review on Amazon are the best people in the world. This palette is named as SFR Colors 63 Multicolor Pressed Pigment Eyeshadow Palette, and this retails for $4.94. I paid $4.94 for this particular palette, but I can see the price of this palette. It's for just $4.29, and for the quality of this particular eyeshadow palette, I think it is absolutely worth it. Every single that you spend on this palette is absolutely worth it. It comes in this beautiful green cardboard kind of a situation. I love the way it looks. It comes in this gold detailing here, as you see. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open this palette up for you, and do you see that? It's a massive, it's a huge palette, and it comes with this beautiful mirror that you see right here, which is so handy. Though it is not travel friendly, but if you are just picking up one eyeshadow palette and if you want all the eyeshadow colors in it, all the colors possible in the world, then I think this is the palette you can definitely go for. And I love the fact that it comes with its own mirror. So now you can see the palette up close, and here you have most of your brown toned nude neutral colors. Then here you have your pinky mauvey toned colors, and here are some colorful like purple, blue, green, turquoise green, and all of these shades. And I went ahead and I created this eye look that you see right here using this particular eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch few shades for you which I haven't touched. So, and I don't know what this texture of eyeshadow is called, but this feels like velvet. It actually feels like velvet, soft and smooth. Oh my goodness. And yeah, I picked this shade, and these glitters are something I will have to see how I can work with it. But let me go ahead and try out some colors and swatch this for you. They are nice and pigmented, and they don't have a lot of fallout. Okay, so you can see I don't see any fallout with this particular eyeshadow palette, which is something that I like. And also it is quite pigmented. I won't say it is like those cheap eyeshadow palettes. It is absolutely pigmented. You get every different shades in here, so you can go ahead and create any eye look that you wish to. If you are on a budget and if you don't know what palette to invest in, or if you are someone who doesn't have any idea of what colors to get for you, or if you are someone who wants to have all the colors but you don't want to go ahead and spend that amount of money, then I think you can definitely go for this. On Amazon there are multiple brands which sell the similar kind of palette but under different brand name. So I went ahead and I got the SFR Hated with Love Eyeshadow Palette. So since I'm done with everything that I had to say about this palette, let's move on to this eye look that I have gone ahead and created. It's a very easy eye look that I went in with. So let's quickly jump into the eye look. I have for you today in this video, and I hope you liked watching this video, and if you did like it, then please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It will mean a lot to me, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, peace and love to you all. Bye.